Hello guys, let's give you a life is good life update there. Come on. So just knocking out projects. We're not doing carrier packets and rate confirmations and hiring drivers. Hiring. I need to hire about 4 more. Right now we have immediate opening for 1 or 2. But we just been knocking out projects. This one was next on the list. This thing's been sitting since March of 25. It is now almost July of 26. Ellen's mother passed away a couple weeks ago, and I can't go unless I take my office, which I set my mobile office up right in there. You've got the lizard cage, but that desk comes down and I set my office there. So I couldn't go because this thing had been sitting since March of 25. Wheel bearings needed done. That slide motor over there was out and the slide wouldn't come in out by itself. Had to have 2 people, one push the button inside and one to push the slide in or out. So I was stuck at home, trapped. I couldn't go. And so that was the final straw. So I dug it out. Dug it out from there, and I brought it out and it was nasty. Oh my gosh, it was so filthy. So fixed the slide motor the other day, did the wheel bearings the other day, and now we got it out here and got it. I clean it every morning from like 5 to 7 till the sun comes out. Then I have to quit. So I did the roof twice. I've washed the exterior once. I may put it back in the hole today, and I really want to wax it. So I don't know if I wax it in the morning or put it in the hole then wax it. Need to probably find a buyer for this truck. It's got brand new brakes on it, brand new tires. We'll get into that. So the project before the RV was the truck. Got it done, but flashed a tune into it yesterday and it bricked. It locked out the ECM. The truck was dead. So I did some troubleshooting with VSE, Run VSE this morning. They logged in the laptop and got everything fixed. So that project's done. That project's done. This project here, it needs some blower work, and it's way too loud for the tracks. So it's just putting out the pasture. I may part it out or sell it whole, but it's just had no use for it. It's too loud for the track. I can't quieten it down because the blower, no mufflers are fit, blah, blah, blah. I don't know anyway why it's too loud. Next project, after we get that done, going to service transmission and oil change on that. It's got 73,000 miles on it, 2015 model. So we're going to do its first transmission change and filter. Get that done, get that completed, and then we're going to start on that project. Might do this project here next. These brakes don't work. This thing's probably 10 or 15 years old. So I'll probably pull these wheels off, check the brakes, check the wheel bearings, get that done. That'll be a quick job. Then we got to work on this project. So it's a 6.0 LS swapped 4L80E transmission and a straight axle swap. And it's not complete. So it needs a front drive shaft, needs a radiator, needs a starter wire hooked up, and then needs re-geared. And so it's just a project I bought off a friend. He wrecked his truck and he needed the money. And so I bought it so he would fix his daily driver truck. So this is going to be my next big project to get it going. So it's got a Phytech standalone harness on it, and she just needs cleaned up and radiator and plumbed and brake lines put on. And yep, so that's a big project. So just knocking the projects down a little bit at a time. Got some junk wheels and tires sitting around. Got a good tire there. Make a good spare. So I need to wash that. So that's where we are, and the life is good there. Come in. And oh yeah, another project we got going is doing some toolbox remodeling. So I had a toolbox on sale about a month ago. Oh, look at the nasty fingerprints. I've got a bigger toolbox than that one coming. We're gonna put it right here probably. Take that wood top off and put it on top and make a desk with drawers for storage. Or I may add it on to this one and go that way and just have a big wall of toolboxes. Got another in-locker coming for the other side. So got a triple bank coming. Just the bottom roller cab. Because that right there is 72 inches. So the plan is to put there and put that wood top on top of it. But I might just get rid of that entirely, put it there. I don't know, I ain't decided yet, so we got to work it out. And declutter this garage, get it working a little bit better. So, yep, that's where we are. Wrapping up projects. And anybody need a good def tank for Duramax? So yeah, it's busy, always something. Let's make us a video on the Peterbilt and some drivers. See ya. Y'all have a good day.